Pretty girls walk like this.
Well, the animal that goes and winds up someone else's la 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 lunch. I'm just saying. Okay.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head.
No, not you, Seamus.
Ah, poo.
Fascinating.
When you have multiple quality problems, the best way to prioritize is by determining which ones occur most frequently. This data can be collected using a check sheet, where each occurrence of a problem is marked, or by automating the data collection process. Once data is collected, it can be analyzed by creating a frequency distribution chart, like a histogram or Pareto chart, for example, to identify reasons for imaging delays, empower radiology techs to complete the tick sheet to understand the causes, input the data into Excel to create an easily understandable histogram or Pareto chart. This approach helps generate buy-in from the improvement team to focus on fixing the issues that truly matter, protecting their time and scope. It's a simple and effective way to prioritize quality problems and ensure efforts are focused where they have the most impact.